Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is your Elliott Wave update for Solana. If you watched my last video, I was very concerned about this area that we were going to get a larger fourth wave on the 4-hour chart. But just to zoom out a little bit on the daily, we still haven't topped in our third of the third. We have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We're just topping our third of the third, and we're looking for a 4 or 5 down on the 4-hour. Show you that here. This is our 4-hour chart. So this is our third wave, and I suggested that we top somewhere in this box. You can watch my last video if you want. But I was expecting a little more of a correction down on the micro. Didn't quite get it. We made a little bit higher high, but we did come to the box I was expecting. And now looking as in we topped in our third of the third, and I want to see us come back to the fourth wave of one larger degree, which is over here between the 236 and the 382, between around $80 and $60 to find support, and eventually go up for our fifth wave of the third, where we make higher highs above this third wave. I'm going to zoom into the micro just to show you how the count slightly changed. I can leave that on. Go down to the 15 minutes. So that was our fourth wave in blue. We then got a wave 1 up, 2, 3. I thought this one was going to come a little deeper. That's where the analysis was wrong. I thought we were going to get our 3, 4 here, come back to our previous fourth wave, then go up to our fifth, but we hit the same target. It just looks like we got a really shy retracement in our fourth wave. Like really, really shy. So as you can see, our third of the third, no divergence there on the 15-minute. We'll have to go to the 1 hour. Anything showing up? Yep, there was our third of our third and our fifth of our third here. You can see the divergence on the micro. But as of right now, there is a way we can go higher, but the only thing that stands out to me at the moment, the only way I see that happening, is if, sorry, I'm just trying to line everything up here. We've gotten pretty extended, but the only way this can happen is if this is our 3 and our 4 is over here, and we need another fifth wave to the upside. But again, it's just not worth trading to me. You're betting on the fact that that's a expanded correction, and you've already broken trend, this fourth wave, as labeled by me here. Again, we made 2 triangles in a row, which is usually a fourth and a fourth. All right, we dropped below support. But I mean, it's possible we make a new high, but I'd be very concerned. I'd want to get out of this as soon as I could. Like I said, the only way this works as a correction is we'd have an A wave here. B wave is an expanded flat, and you'd have to get 5 waves out of this. I mean, you can as an ending diagonal, I suppose, but you have overlap there. That looks like 3 waves. It just looks ugly for more upside at the moment. But I'm going to wait myself. I'm not going to take a short either at the moment. I don't have a clean 5 there. And I'd want to see a 5 wave to get confident on this short trade. So sidelined at the moment. We can get a higher high, again, if this becomes a expanded correction, and then we come down. But is it really worth trading for that, right? I'd rather wait for $80 for the larger fourth wave. Going back on the 4-hour, you can see what I mean. Like the trend is pretty exhausted at the moment, and anything you get here feels like bonus. We're coming against our major sell-off area. We're coming up to the 200 extension. So I would wait. That's what I'm doing. Wait for our retrace back to the previous fourth wave of larger degree, and then look for our third wave up to around the 200% at around 140. That's a good trade. So I'm going to wait for that, and then obviously I'll bail out for the larger fourth. All right, guys, so that's it for Solana. Hopefully that was helpful. There's lots of other trade options available if you're actively trading. I'm currently in 6. You can check out my channel. I enter all those trade setups, show you in real time, starting with a $10,000 account, 1% risk per trade. And all my setups are on the channel beforehand, during, after. But yeah, Solana's looking a little exhausted. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.